Speaker. Now, BJP has written a letter to the Speaker, Om Birla, and this time again with regard to Rahul Gandhi. We have accessed a copy of the letter. Bansuri Swaraj, the first-time Member of Parliament from New Delhi, has said Rahul Gandhi has deliberately spread lies on the Agniveer scheme, false claims on the MSP for farmers, and there are definitely misleading claims that have been brought forth by Rahul Gandhi. She is in fact asking that that she sent out a notice on this, and that there must be a reply. Let's listen into what Bansuri Swaraj has said. And interesting, because she's one of those first-time MPs who's taken the charge and sent out a notice on Rahul Gandhi.
कल माननीय नेता प्रतिपक्ष श्री राहुल गांधी जी ने अपनी स्पीच में कई इनएक्यूरेट स्टेटमेंट्स करी हैं। इसके तहत मैंने आपके समक्ष डायरेक्शन 115 में एक नोटिस प्रस्तुत करा है। आपसे अनुरोध है कि इसका कृपया संज्ञान लीजिए।
All right, so this is the statement that has been made by Bansuri Swaraj. But let's also remember that it's not just the first-time MPs experienced who've been ministers as well. Anurag Thakur had spoken right after, and Anurag Thakur's speech found a mention in Rahul Gandhi's letter. So let's listen into what Anurag Thakur said.
मेरा इतना ही माननीय सभापति जी कहना है, कल अगर मुझे मेरी पार्टी ने, मेरे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अवसर दिया अपना पक्ष रखने का, अपनी पार्टी का पक्ष रखने का, अगर उसमें एक भी बात असत्य हो, जो मैंने कहा कि इमरजेंसी आपने लगाई थी, लोकतंत्र का चीरहरण आपने किया था, अगर आपको लगता है झूठ है तो आप इस पे बोलिए। मैंने कहा था।
थैंक यू। हो गया। Nothing will go on record.
So this, remember, is right now the big issue. I want to immediately bring in Piyush Mishra for the latest on this. Piyush, you tell me, because both the BJP, the NDA or the India bloc are absolutely assertive. One is gunning for the government, one is defending the government. What do you think is precisely the reason that Rahul Gandhi has again written a letter? Bansuri Swaraj has said he's been misleading. What is happening in the parliament now?
Well, right now, Rahul Gandhi has also made it very clear, Pooja, that the truth cannot be expunged. The questions were asked of Rahul Gandhi when he entered parliament that a few of his part of his speech has been expunged by the Lok Sabha Speaker, by the Lok Sabha office. He has said that, okay, even if they have expunged a part of my speech, the truth cannot be expunged. This is what the Rahul Gandhi has said. So we are now seeing as to how letter versus letter. Rahul Gandhi has also written a letter. Now, Bansuri Swaraj, who is the BJP MP, first-time MP, she has also written a letter where she has requested to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to consider her request of the kind of demands which she is putting forth and pass directions under Section 115. So that's what the BJP is also demanding for. We'll have to see how the fireworks are going to further escalate. But it is very much clear that India bloc is coming out in complete support of Rahul Gandhi. Various leaders from the Uddhav Thackeray, Shiv Sena, from Samajwadi Party, from TMC, they all are supporting what Rahul Gandhi yesterday had said. As far as the Hindu remark is concerned, the opposition is saying that Rahul Gandhi did not say anything wrong. He was basically targeting BJP by using the word Hindu. But the BJP has appeared against Rahul Gandhi demanding...
You know, Piyush, I can see constantly that the Congress or the BJP or their allies are charging at each other. Well, this was expected with the numbers that have increased to the opposition parties as well. Everyone jumping on the opportunity. Stay on with the Piyush.